Congress is more dangerous for India than Pakistan and China. What do you think? You don't agree with me? Listen. Rahul Gandhi has removed his company from UK government data in which he was a British citizen. There was a company Backcorps Limited in UK whose company number was 04874597 and Rahul Gandhi was director in that company. Citizenship of Rahul Gandhi was British in that company. But now the company and all the documents are removed from UK government data. Why? Because on 30th April 2019, MHA sent a notice to Rahul Gandhi over his British citizenship issue under the Home Minister Rajnath Singh. Actually, this info was first brought to public attention by Dr. Subramanian Swamy in 2015.
दो बैकऑप्स कंपनी है, एक इंग्लैंड में स्थापित हुआ और दूसरा बम्बई में स्थापित हुआ.
Rahul Gandhi should be prosecuted by deleting his citizenship and removing him from the membership of Lok Sabha if an inquiry proves this is to be correct.
Since then, he was waging a lone war. Finally, in 2019, under HM Rajnath Singh, a notice was sent to Rahul Gandhi to explain the same. Rahul Gandhi might have thought BJP is dumb, who's gonna catch him? It's Subramanian Swamy here. After that, it seems Rahul Gandhi spoke with his Kerala friends and started a new company on 3rd May 2019 with a similar name, Backcorps. You can see the names of the directors here. When I checked on opencorporates.com, look at the data that is available of that company. But when you click on it, it takes you to UK government's official website where the data has been removed. Now the biggest question here is, how is he able to remove the old data from UK government's official website? Who is helping him? It's not that easy to remove data from UK government's website. This means that he has support from someone big in UK government. Who is that someone? And for the leftist media who gonna troll me saying that nada and all, the data is available on the open source websites. Another thing here is, Rahul Gandhi signed an MOU with China when he was not holding any official position. What is in that MOU? Why is it not made public? First of all, what's your business with the Chinese communists? This is not normal. We have exposed the entire nexus in our previous videos as to what kind of vultures these are, how they looted the country and all. Please check. Bharat is probably the only country whose opposition is not only against the government but also against the people of the nation.
हम आज कहां पहुंचे हैं? आज विश्व में इंडियन कोरोना बन गया है, भारतीय कोरोना. मेरा भारत महान तो छोड़िए, ये मेरा भारत कोविड का बन गया है.
Congress is more dangerous for India than Pakistan and China. I repeat. Toolkits after toolkits to destroy India. We don't know how many are being circulated hidden, but only a few toolkits leak into the public. But this time, there is a tricky thing happening. On Tuesday, 2 documents were leaked on social media. One they say is an official one created by Soumya Varma, a Rajiv Gowda's aide, which contains the research note on Central Vista project. The other one, very similar to the official one but claimed to be a fake one, contains point-to-point notes on how to question and discredit Modi government on a few key points. The documents were allegedly created by the AICC research team. While Congress had filed an FIR against BJP leader Sambit Patra, there were some uncanny similarities between the instructions in the toolkit and how the narrative, especially around the pandemic, was built. You might have thought that I'm going to expose this one. No. I'm going to debunk this one, the original one. But before we proceed, I have some credibility concerns here I want to clarify. So I'm going to keep this aside for a while and we'll look at this. Mind you, I'm neither supporting this nor rejecting this. I'm only taking this as a case study to tell you who is a credible source. I cannot comment on the authenticity of the documents, but because I have zero trust on Congress party, I really suspect that this kind of shit and all only Congress does. I'm suspicious about it. I'm not sure who created it. Alt News is saying there is a font change in this. Zoom karke dekho. It's a fake one created by BJP IT cell. Make it look exactly same like the original one. Okay, right. But who the hell are you to say it? What sort of a credible source you are to talk about facts? Your whole life is full of fake news and anti-national propaganda. Why are you trying to make sense now? Do you know what kind of idiots these are? Let me show you. The person Sam Javed is claiming that he or she is a co-founder of Alt News. I don't know whether it's he or she, because they are experts in creating fake accounts. Let's check the official data of directors in Alt News' parent company, Pravda Media Foundation. There are total 3 directors, Pratik Sinha, his mother Nijari Mukul Sinha, and Mohammad Zubair. Where is the name Sam Javed? She's claiming that she is a co-founder at Alt News. But where is the name in the document? This is a false claim. This person, Sam Javed, writes news articles for all the Soros-funded media. The Wire, Quint, News Laundry, NewsClick, Scroll.in, National Herald, etc. So this kind of fake idiots, when they say that toolkit is fake and forced by BJP, it's invalid. Because you as a company is maintaining a fake profile. Bloody puncture shop workers, do you think fact checking is like fixing punches to a tire or something? You don't even know the meaning of credibility, okay? You don't talk about credibility with me. Not only that, they are shit scared of facts. That's why they got my video deleted, the Greta Toolkit expose. Again, it has the same names. They got so pissed off that they have no answers to my questions, they got my video deleted. Anyways, I'm not gonna touch this document because it's very clear that they're defaming Modi ji. There's nothing to wonder about the toolkit. We already know very clearly their whole life is about defaming Modi ji and demolish the government. The document may be fake, but all the points in it are correct. 100% correct. So keep it aside. I'm gonna take the original one and debunk the allegations made by Congress. This is a toolkit they made to question the Central Vista project. What is Central Vista project and why are they protesting to stop it? Sthapatya Publishers have posted a detailed video on the architecture of Central Vista project presented by Dr. Bimal Patel. You should watch it to know how beautiful it is and to understand the necessity of the project. Coming to the toolkit, they say, while the country battles COVID-19 pandemic, initial construction worth 13,540 crore has been approved and these funds could have been diverted to tackling the COVID-19 pandemic and blah 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 point-wise absolute nonsense. You shameless low IQ idiots, are you not the ones who tried to stop the government from vaccination? By scaring the public that vaccination gives blood clotting side effects, advise them to use steroids which gave rise to black fungus.
और इसी सिचुएशन में पेशेंट की मदद करने के लिए इनहेल्ड स्टेरॉइड्स जैसे कि बूडेसेनॉइड भी दिए जा सकते हैं ट्वाइस डेली 800 mcg की डोज.
Because of this rubbish, a widespread occurrence of an infectious disease called black fungus happened across the country. Are you a doctor? What license do you have to pass on such bullshit advices to people like this? Dear Supreme Court of India, this YouTuber is responsible for a number of recent deaths due to COVID. Take my video as a complaint and book him now.
क्या आपको कोवैक्सीन लगवानी चाहिए या फिर कोविशील्ड लगवानी चाहिए?
What slippers should I slap you with? Paragon or Bata? This is what Congress is doing. Misleading millions of people with wrong information. What kind of devils these are that they're using even this pandemic situation as an advantage. And now with what faces you fools are coming and saying Central Vista project funds could have been used for COVID pandemic. Bloody Congress. Dear Supreme Court of India, I'm striking off the points 1, 3 and 7 from the toolkit related to COVID because they neither qualify nor deserve to question on this. Similarly, the other points. Environmental damage. Congress is responsible for the entire desertification of India. Look at my previous video to understand how Congress is responsible for farmer suicide. Again, you're not qualified enough to question this. Number 4. Lack of public discourse on the project. Dear Congress, did you tell public when you went to sign an MOU with China? Did you tell public when your Rahul Gandhi became a member of Back Corps? Did you tell people when you looted crores of money through your RGF and PMNRF? Did you tell people when you lynched sadhus in Palghar? Lack of public discourse. Strike it off. Number 5. Impact on architectural heritage. The Central Vista redevelopment project will obliterate the history and character of the area. Congress has obliterated the history and character of many areas in India. Look at the demolished temples. How many illegal constructions of churches and mosques in India you people are holding? Rajiv Gowda, Soumya Verma and AICC committee, when are you going to draft a toolkit on this? You first settle that before you talk about heritage of this land. Strike off 5 and 6 related to land. Next point. New house for PM. Do you want me to take the records of your monuments you built in Italy? Do you want me to talk about your foreign assets and companies? Prime Minister's new building is a necessity because long distance stay areas will affect the productivity. He's not a school headmaster, okay? He's the Prime Minister of world's largest democracy. Every minute of his time is so valuable. Strike it off. Next point. India's image on the global stage. We have discussed enough about who is damaging India's image on the global stage. And you see whose reference they are quoting. CNN and the Daily Milk, fake news factories. Singapore government called in our High Commissioner to convey strong objection to Delhi Chief Minister's tweet on Singapore variant. High Commissioner clarified that Delhi CM had no competence to pronounce on COVID variants or civil aviation policy. This is what I have been repeatedly telling you. You guys have no competence to question the Central Vista project. See how the dynasty family is damaging the reputation of our country on the global stage. Dear Congress, the more you try to salvage the wreckages, the more you sink. Later, when the pandemic is over, these idiots again will come back and say, oh, government is not even constructing a new building. They're still working in the old hall because it's a national heritage. They are Sanghis. You will see this narrative will come soon after pandemic. A new virus might come up in the future and nobody is prepared for it. The virus didn't tell that, hey, I'm coming. Be prepared with your hospitals, beds, oxygen cylinders, etc. A nation with 1.3 billion people passing through this pandemic with minimum abrasion is surprising the world. BJP government has done a fantastic job. If you have any IQ in your brain, if you are not drinking Dhruv Rathi's pee in the morning, you must congratulate the government.